Okay, today we are going to talk about the Reliance Industries Limited. Okay, normally we are searching for the good patterns, and we also talk about how to get the profit from that good patterns. Okay, today this is the Reliance Industries. It's a 4-hour chart. This is a forming of rising wedge. Okay, you can consider this is like a rising wedge because we have also have need touches. Okay, in this patterns. Okay, this is the one of touch, and second touch also here. Okay, is in the top of this wedge pattern, two touches, and bottom also have like this two touches. Okay, this is the formation of Reliance Industries. This is the formation of rising wedge. So normally rising wedge you get the breakout from downside. Okay, normally the rising wedge break in the downside. Okay, after downside we can go for the trade to sell from rising wedge. Okay, we need to consider the more any possibilities to this market need to go down. We need to check that possibilities, and we need to get the target. What are the profitable target? Okay, so we need to check everything from this pattern. Okay, and you also need to know about what is the resistance normally. So we need to consider this market have a chance to break from downside. Okay, and other thing is this is the, you can see this is the very good resistance. This is a previous resistance. So current market can move like this. Current market can move like this. This is the chance of market moving. Okay, this is the market movement like this. Okay, first you can go for the target here, and after retest, after again a small swing in here, sometimes this can again come to this retest, and after this market also again go for the sell. Okay, so after you can get this first target, and after you can go for the second target. Okay, after the confirmation of retest, and after you can go for the second target, because this is the very good resistance from lot of touches in the previous market. Here also two touches, again two touches, four times. This is all this resistance also played very well. Okay, so fifth time is breakout, but again this market is coming down from this breakout, again have a retest, and again can have a chance to break this. Okay, downside. So we have to consider this breakout. What are the possibilities of this breakout can happen? Okay, so we need to check that first of all. Okay, I have yeah, I can draw more lines, but you can also. Okay, there's two touches. Again I draw this line. Yeah, okay, did you get a point from here? It's a good trend line formation. It's a previous trend line. Okay, two touches and third time breakout, again retest, and again rally gone down. Okay, so this is a good good trend line for the previous market. So again come to this market and touch, this is the previous point. Okay, so this is the good resistance here for this current market also, and the current market also turn from this point. So this is a good point to market have a chance to go in, and we need to check more any possibilities. Okay, I draw something. Wait. It is true or not? No. This is again one of the good formation. Okay, 1 2 3 4 touches, again the 5 touches. Also market have a chance to break from this the downside. Okay, so Reliance Industries, in this current situation, you need to wait for the breakout from the downside, because this is the rising wedge. Okay, what is the rising wedge normally? Okay, this is the formation of rising wedge. This is the rising wedge formation. Okay, did you agree my uh, this technical analysis? And after you can go for the trade or something, or you can get a knowledge, education knowledge from this pattern. Okay, and there's so many possibilities have a chance to going down is Reliance Industries at the moment. Okay, up for the first you can wait for the breakout, falling which rising with breakout, and after you can go for the trade. So in future we'll post like this more technical analysis live videos, and after you can use this for education purpose. So after you can own you need to again you need to go to this chart, and again you can draw like this, and after you can get a education knowledge, and after you can go for the trade. You subscribe this channel and you can get more videos like this. Okay, thank you.